Hey guys, today I have a report that can save you a lot of money, time, and avoid stress when you're selling your property. Home buyers want to know your home inside and out, and nowadays the home buyers are really looking to have some key questions answered when they're considering purchasing your home and making it their own. What you want to do is you want to ensure that your property meets the home buyer's criteria, and the home buyer wants to know that your home is as good beneath the surface as it appears to be. This report details 11 of the most common areas that will come under scrutiny during a home inspection, and identifies the areas and gives you steps on how to take precautionary methods to prevent these areas or these small issues from turning into big, larger, unavoidable problems. And ultimately, they could cost you thousands of dollars in repairs if they're not dealt with up front. But they could also ultimately cost you the sale of your property. We have deals fall through, unfortunately, with agents who have not educated the home sellers, their clients, on how to equip and prevent these small areas of concern from turning into large, unmanageable, costly mistakes, and even sometimes costs the home seller the actual sale of the home as the deal falls through. This report is really valuable to you, and it's very, very important that you arm yourself from future disappointment. And knowing these areas, you could take these steps yourself. This report details how you could take the precautionary methods, do an inspection yourself, a self-examination of these areas, and prevent them from turning into major issues. Give us a call, shoot us a text at 416-884-1359. We're happy to share this information with you. Nowadays, with the competitive market and multiple offers taking place on some properties, there's also an essential necessity that you take precautionary methods as a home seller to prevent liability, future liability as well. This report will help you equip yourself from future disappointment and unmanageable mistakes, but there's also other opportunities to ensure that you are protected from future liability. We're offering our home sellers a home warranty program where any major areas of concern or any major costs up to $20,000 will be covered through our plan. The home buyer can rest assured his or her home is sold and know that there will not be any future problems or liability coming back to them. This also gives the buyers a peace of mind that knowing that they get a pre-inspection on the property, even though they're pressed for multiple offers occasionally. They already have the information they need to make an educated decision and move forward on the deal, but they're also protected from major renovation costs or future repairs that may occur. And this can happen with any property. This is the first step. Get this report. Take the steps necessary to protect yourself, precautionary methods, and then secondly, find out more about our home warranty program that benefits both the seller and the buyers. Call us or text us at 416-884-1359. We're happy to share this information with you. It's absolutely free. There's no obligation at all. Take care, guys.